My name is Harshal Jain. While we are talking about a programming language, the most commonly name come your in mind is your C++ and Java. As per when your requirement, you use C++. When you have requirement, as per requirement, you can use Java. So what make that their differences? So we will, in this video we are going to talk about the difference between C++ and Java. Java was developed in 1991, whereas C++ was developed in 1984. So many concepts which is not used or rarely used was removed in the Java. So we are going to see the deep difference between these two languages. So first and main difference is platform independency or dependency. So C++ is totally a platform independent. Suppose I have written a program in Windows 7 operating system. So it will work only in Windows 7 operating system. It will not work in MacBook or in Linux program. Whereas in Java, it has a interpreter. In C++ we have only compiler, but in Java we have a plus compiler plus interpreter, which helps Java to make it independent. Means you have written a program in Windows, so it will give you same output in your Linux or in MacBook. So you can say Java is platform independent. Second difference is C++ is semi-object oriented. Means you can write a program without classes or with classes. But in Java it is completely object oriented programming. For a simple program, like to print my name is Harshal. For this simple program also I need to create class, then only program can be executed. In Java we have a pointers. We don't have any pointers for security reasons. But in C++ we have a pointer. In C++ we have a three access identifier. One is public, private, protected. But in Java we have one more additional. Means in Java we have four: public, private, default, and protected. In Java we have four loops: for loop, do while, for each. But in C++ we have only three loops, which is for loop, do while loop, and while loop. In Java we have we don't have any preprocessors, but in C++ we have a preprocessor. Whenever you have anytime whenever you have written C++ program, you have seen we have a mention on header file, hashtag header file. That is nothing but your preprocessor. In Java there is a no virtual keyboards, but in C++ we have a virtual keyboards. In C++ we don't have any multiple. In Java we don't have any multiple inheritance, but in C++ we have a multiple inheritance. In Java we have a jump or continue statement, no go-to statement. But in C++ we have a go-to statement. And last one, the application-based difference between is C++ is only used for system applications, whereas Java is used for web applications, mobile applications, your banking application, for etc. So in this way, this languages have a differences, and due to these differences, as per requirement, this languages is used. Thank you. This is all over your difference between. We will continue in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.